So the first thing that I'm going to do is create a connection and connect to Snowflake and to Ponder. I'm passing the Ponder connection. And so when I do this, we go ahead and collect some metadata, stage a table. It looks exactly like it does in Pandas, 15 million rows. Everything I'm showing in Snowflake today also works on BigQuery. There's an order associated with your data frame, right? If you do df.head, you get the same rows every single time. In a database, that's not always true, but with Ponder, when you're operating on top of a data warehouse, that is true. So we can even do things like grab row 9 through 99. Same semantics, same exact behavior as Pandas. And to talk a little bit more about order and about how we track order, I'm going to create this df sorted. And I also do want to call attention to how snappy this is. I'm in the Midwest. My data warehouse is on the West Coast. It's very, very fast. We're not pulling any data out to do any in-memory operations. Now, min-max normalization in SQL is incredibly complex. I challenge anyone here to do it in less than 200 lines. I can just type it like this, and Ponder handles everything, and it's all pushed down into the data warehouse. If you have not signed up for the product, you're really missing out.